In 1963, Stanley Milgram conducted a shocking experiment on obedience. 3 people took part, 1 real subject and 2 actors. The subject was always the teacher. His job was to test the student's memory and punish mistakes with electric shocks, starting at 45 volts and increasing up to 450 volts. The student was an actor who only pretended to be shocked. As the voltage rose, the actor screamed in pain and begged for the experiment to stop. Yet 65% of participants continued all the way to the maximum voltage simply because the experimenter told them to. Only a few refused when the protests began. The study revealed how far ordinary people will go when obeying authority, even if it appears to harm someone else.